Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Henriette and today we got a new video for a new series that's quick Python tricks. So today's main goal is to film a very short video concerning something that I found useful, and I hope you guys found it too. So today's theme is continue keyword. I used it in the last submission of HackerHank. I will leave the link down below if you haven't had the opportunity to see it. So without further ado, let's check it out. So Python. First, let's create a list. 2, 3, 4, 5. So continue is especially useful when iterating through a list. So let's iterate through it for x in a. If x equal 3, we will want our iteration to skip 3. That being said, continue is the way to do it. Print x. Voila, so there's no 3. And that's pretty much it. So I believe this is a really quick video. To check other implementations of continue, please go to our video concerning the HackerHank submission down below. You can find the link. And if you haven't it out, don't forget, comment, reach me through email, I don't know, feel free. Thanks very much for watching, guys.